Hey, it's Bill here from Immaculate Paint Protection. Sitting, kneeling with this 2021 Corvette C8 convertible. You can see we got the top down. This is something unique we did for this client here. This Corvette has what's technically considered the sky cool gray interior. So it is gray, but it almost looks white. So the issue with white interiors is that if you wear blue jeans, you've noticed that on the bolster sides here, when you're coming in and out, you're dragging across the car, you get what you call denim transfer. You'll see blue streaks. The light gray will actually start to turn a little bit of blue. So for this client, we went ahead and we installed Gyeon Q2 Leather Shield. It's a ceramic coating specifically for leather interior. So we applied the ceramic coating to all the seats, to the console here, to these door inserts, and the glove box, and underneath the driver knee bolsters there. The ceramic coating is intended to go on a brand new vehicle, so it's not going to restore your leather. So if your car's a couple years old and the leather's beat up, this is not the product for you. So if you got a brand new vehicle and you want to keep the inside clean and make it super easy to clean, you want the ceramic coating on the inside. For the dash and the dark charcoal on the door inserts, we used Leather Coat. This is a water-based SiO2, a water-based ceramic product. We did that because we always do a test section. We tested how the product looks on the leather. And for this, we found this to be better. We saw a little streaking underneath. We just did a test section underneath the door here with the ceramic coating, so we elected to put the leather coat on the charcoal color. So the main thing here that's unique about both of the Gyeon products is it's not going to change the factory appearance. So there's no additional sheen, there's no additional gloss. It doesn't feel different, it doesn't feel slick. We coated the steering wheel cover. We do not coat the steering wheel. That's just for safety there, obviously. Yeah, I know it's not gonna increase it's not gonna reduce the coefficient of friction, but that's a safety thing there. So the benefit here is that the consumer, our client's gonna be able just to come in and simply wipe down his interior and keep it clean. He doesn't have to worry about, if somebody spills a drink, a soda, a coffee or something, it'll wipe right off. A real light cleaner will take it off. And the other thing that's nicest too is that the process is we wipe the leather down real good to prepare it for the ceramic coating. And then when we apply the ceramic coating, we use one of the included applicator pads, and we really spend a lot of extra time and we get down into all these seams here. So that way the stitching's protected. You don't want the stitching dry rotted. I mean, these cars are heirloom vehicles essentially, so this guy is gonna give this to his child, his son. So, you see 40, 50-year-old Corvettes driving around the time. Hopefully it stays new. The common question is gonna happen though too is what about the suede? The suede was not covered. We don't have a solution for the suede just yet. So I know we just talked about this fancy ceramic coating we put on the inside of the interior, and I'm standing here with a plastic cover. Why am I covering up the car? Even though with this fancy ceramic coating, it's because it's not my vehicle. So I'm gonna do everything I can to take care of this vehicle when it's inside my shop here. I'm fully confident that the coating works, but I'm fully confident it's not my vehicle, so I'm gonna treat this better than my own. So we're gonna cover this car back up, so when the customer comes to pick it up, it's done just right. If you wanna keep your interior cleaner longer, contact us today at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com.